and we'll get it home and stick a mouthpiece on it and see what we got going on. I've got another saxophone at home in Old York that I can pull some springs from. So I have like a parts donor in that regard. The spring that's broken is, let's see, it's right down here. I don't know the key names well enough yet. I just started playing, but it's on, let's see. See, that's flopping around like crazy, and also doesn't keep this fully closed. So the spring that's broken is right there on that peg. That's the one that's got to be replaced. But looks like that's really the only one that's broken on the whole sax, as far as I can tell. This one's got the extra keys, they call it, the extra trill keys. So again, I'm learning a lot here, so I don't really know a whole lot about what I'm talking about just yet, but you know what? By the time I'm all done, I will, because that's how I do stuff. I just jump in and learn it. Yep, I think that's the only spring I need to deal with, and the pads all look pretty good. Like good enough where this could be playable, just like it is. Oh, and somebody on one of the forums mentioned, yeah, right here. See if we can get a little close-up action of that. The E flat key. See that dent? It's not too bad, but it does need to be straightened out. We'll get a light leak light in there and see what's going on. All right. I'm excited.